Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Another one is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's all of the speakers you can find on this device. And then to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of those sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's test it out. And clearly sound is coming only from the bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.